Who needs a paintbrush when you can simply pour paint on canvas to create a masterpiece? Check out this beauty that I did by pouring paint over the top of a bottle cap and 5 spoons. I mean, guys, check this one out. It's beautiful. I love the colors. They're so vibrant. It's amazing. You guys will love this one. Hello everyone, it's Camille. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Guys, I'm just gonna do a quick video today. You know, it's been a while since I've done one of my my flower, using my spoons and the bottle lid. So, you know, I just had this crazy color scheme in my mind, you know, yellow, red, green. I'm like, okay, you know, so let me just give it a try, see what the outcome would be. The red I'm using is actually a metallic red. It's garnet, so it's really beautiful, and the green is an emerald green. The yellow, it's a bright sunny yellow. I'm not sure, remember what brand. I put the colors in the description box below, so guys, check that one out. You know, and I want to say thank you so much for being here, and of course give me a thumbs up if you do like this one, and if you haven't subscribed us yet, please do so. I have great content to share, guys, and I want to say welcome to my channel. All right, so I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. Alrighty, let's check out a close-up. What do you guys think about this one? The colors are vibrant. I just love the entire detail about this flower. The petals, they're beautiful. I love the highlights from the green. I love how soft the yellow look at the tip of the flower. It's just beautiful. It's amazing. Even that centerpiece with the big pink, it's actually fuchsia pink, so it's beautiful. Guys, I love it. I do hope you love this one. Please leave me a nice comment in the comment section below. Check out my playlist. I do have all the great contents to share, and I will see you next time. Bye.